So let's look at example 14. We want to find z of 0.01 and negative z of 0.01, the values of z that cut off right and left tails of area 0.01 in the standard normal distribution. Now I've drawn a picture for you here. So not very good, but let's notice we've got a normal curve and we're wanting to find this z value right here that cuts off 0.01 in the left tail and this z value over here that cuts off 0.01 in the right tail. Now, fortunately, all we really need to do is look up this left tail because the normal curve is symmetric, and so whatever this one will be the opposite in sign. So let's look up 0.01 using that same command we've been using all along, equal norm.s.inv 0.01, and that gives us negative 2.32635. And so the other value we're looking for, if we use the symmetry of the curve, is the positive value, 2.32635. And we now have them both.